guys, we're going to today I'm playing Happy Wheels. It's a Mr. Fame. So let's get straight into it. Woo!
What? Are we making a video?
My TARDIS. I need it. Boy, yay. Oh.
Wait, Richie?
What?
Huh? Yeah. Why you hate me now again?
Time for Chainsaw.
Oh yeah, I remember.
I'm gonna kill you. The Doritos are last. Mohoho.
Why did you go to school, Tyson? Huh? Why did you go to school? Deal with it. What did you guys do? Is it writing? Yep. Oh, you're behind because we finished our narrative. Well, rip me. Like everyone finished. Well, rip me.
Illuminati. Die.
And then we did anyway break 1, and then we had science. Mr. Regovich was grounding in.
So